English revision.
Very good morning, children. Open your literacy skill book, page number 9090. Page number 9090. We are starting with our English revision. First, we'll write the date. What's the date today? 3030 9 2021 2021. Today is the last day in this month, September. Only 30 days. Tomorrow will be the new month. Okay, now what day is today? Today is Thursday. 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 Okay, now this is revision. REVISION, revision. Now let us trace and write. Now you all know how to write alphabets, capital letters and also small letters. Today we are going to practice here by joining the dots once, and then we are going to write in the classwork also. Okay, children? So tomorrow we will be having a English revision test. Tomorrow I will be giving you revision test which you will be writing without seeing. So tomorrow I will be sending you the question paper. You will be writing without seeing. Please make a video when the children writes A to Z. Tomorrow, that is tomorrow. Today we'll complete our revision. Now see, children, here there are some engines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 engines are there. Make the engine colorful. You can color these engines, okay, of different colors. Red, blue, green, yellow, orange, pink. Okay, you color these engines and then you can write. A, capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D, small d. Children, I wrote up to D, rest up to Z you are going to write yourself. Okay, see, if you color the crayon, engines in color pencil, you can color the compartment place also, then you can trace it. It will look beautiful. Okay, don't use sketch pen or don't use dark color crayons, then you cannot write here. Okay, children, now A, capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D, small d, capital E, small e, capital F, small f, capital G, small g, capital H, small h, capital I, small I, capital J, small j, capital K, small k, capital L, small l, capital M, small m, capital N, small n, capital O, small o, capital P, small p, capital Q, small q, capital R, small r, capital S, small s, capital T, small t, capital U, small u, capital V, small v, capital W, small w, capital X, small x, capital Y, small y, capital Z, small z. You can also say capital Z, small z. Okay. After finishing this, children, you know why I showed you all the letters? By telling it. By telling, you need to write. Okay, don't just fill it. You have to tell and write. Okay. Next, take page number 9191. This is very important. From this, you will get from your exam. Okay. Write the date again. 30, 9, 20, 21. Thursday, Thursday. Thursday. Again, this is revision. 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 Now, write the missing letter for each picture. See, there are pictures given here. You have to write the first letter. This, again, I will tell you orally once, but I'm not going to write and show you. You have to write yourself. Okay. Now, what picture is this? This is ant. Ant. What is this? Ant. 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 If you're confused, you can say the name slowly. And so first sound, what it came? A. Yes is A. So what letter will come here? It is A, isn't it? And okay, now this is pig. What picture is this? This is pig. 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 So what letter will come here? P-I-G, pig, isn't it? Now, ball. 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 Says B. Small letter B. Egg. Egg. E says A. So, E will come here. Lion. See, when you say lion, your tongue goes up. Isn't it? So, which letter comes here? Tell me. Guess. L. Yeah. Okay, very good. Then, what are this? These are books. Okay. Book. So, what will come here? B. What is this? It's a bird. Bird. B. Again, this is also a B. B. B comes here. Car. So what will come here? Small letter C. Pan. Pan. P comes here. Sun. Says S. S says S. So S for sun. Fish. Which letter? Fish. Okay. So page number 91 is completed. Children, now take page number 92. Here also it's the same. Write the missing letter for the each picture, that is, write the first letter. Okay, now write the date. Very important is like you have to write capital letters and small letters without seeing yourself. Okay, tomorrow you have a test. I'll repeat again. Tomorrow you have a revision test that is considered for the exam. So certain marks will be there for that, and I'll be seeing how fluent you are writing the alphabets, because alphabets A to Z is the base. It is completely based on that only we have your midterm exam. So you have to know your alphabets A to Z, caps and small letters. Okay children, today after your homework. This is all workbooks, no? You'll be finishing in few minutes itself. You write the first letter, one letter. You will write it and you will finish it off. Very soon you will finish. But in your class work, you write your alphabets, English alphabets, capital and small. I'll be showing you. And then in your rough book, write two times. 2 times capital letters and 2 times small letters. Okay. Those who are writing and practicing in rough book also can share me. Okay. Don't forget to write your name, children. In all the page, I want name. Otherwise, when I'm correcting, I'll not know whose paper is it. Okay. I'll not know which one it is. I can see it in the group, but when I do correction, I'll not be able to know whose paper or whose picture is that. Okay. That is why I'm telling. Don't forget to write your name. Now page number 9292. 9292. Okay. Write the missing letter for each picture. What is this? Duck. D says duck. D duck. T tree. R rib. Quill. N nut. Star. T train. R rose. This is unicorn. So as I told, vowels has two sounds, long sound and short sound. Okay. So this is unicorn. Here U only will come. Unicorn. Okay. Unicorn. Yolk. This is egg, also called as yolk. This inside part is called yolk. Yolk. Then jeep. Jeep. Okay. I've already told you once. Write this also. Okay, children, this is your revision part. Now we'll go to page number 9393. 9393. Write the date, day, name. Children, here circle the odd one out. Last time you had some confusion what is odd one. Now what is different among the group is called odd one. Now we have 4 things of same thing, but one is different. No, what is the different thing? It is odd. Okay. Now what letter is this? A. That's all. Capital letter A. And this is V. So all the letters are same, but this letter is not same. It is different. So what you have to do? You have to circle the different one. Circle the odd one. Okay. Now read aloud. B, D, D, D. Now tell me which is odd one. Which is odd one? S. Very good. B is odd one. C, U. Which is odd one? Find out. Yes, very good. U is odd one. S, R. Yeah, very good. R is odd one. Now look carefully. W, M. Children, now sometimes when you see like this, the letters look same unless you read it aloud. When you say loudly, then only you will know the difference. See, sometimes it is looking same when you see. Now M, W. Yeah, W is different. So you have to tell aloud, read all the letters, and then you have to do this activity. Okay, W is the odd one. Here B and P. So which is odd one here? It's P. This is cross the odd one activity. Okay, children, so you will have all these things in your exam. Once you are done with this, take your English classwork, write the date 39/21. Right? capital letters A to Z. Okay, write one time here. Revision. Write your name. Children, try to write without seeing so that you will practice, and also write it in the rough book 2 times. Once in the classwork and rough book 2 times. Okay, 39, 21. Now write small alphabets, small letter A to small letter Z one time in classwork, 2 times in rough book. Okay, fine. Don't write all this. This is, I'm just showing you for you to remember. Once you write here capital letters, once you write capital letter and here small letter, and then the workbook you have to write, finish it and send me. And when you finish, when you have time, evening time, you can write it in your rough book, practice 2 times, and you can send me. Okay children, fine. This is all for your revision today. Tomorrow you will have a revision test. I'll not give you any revision tomorrow. You will have a revision test. Okay, fine children, take care. Bye bye.